your PayPal account is fully verified. This is a full verified PayPal account I just created. You can create a fully verified PayPal account as like me. If you are living outside USA, don't worry, you can do also. So this is going to be a unique and special video for you. Today I'll show you how you can create a PayPal account by using your name, using your passport details without SSN number. Trust me, this video is work for all over the world. So this video going to be a special video. So before starting this video, please hit the like button and make sure hit the subscribe button. For creating USA PayPal account, you need 3 things. First, you need SSN number or ITIN. Don't worry, I will show how you can get ITIN number. Then you need a phone number, USA real phone number, and you need a USA real address also. After getting this, you can create a PayPal account. Don't worry, I will show you everything. First, go to PayPal website. I will leave the link in description, and then go to sign up. Here you will get 2 options. One is personal account and another is business account. So I will create personal account. Now you need to type your mail. Type your mail and next. Now you need a phone number. In last video I have shown that how you can get USA free phone number, that is text now. If you missed the video, please check this. From there I use a USA phone number. It sent code. I am not receiving codes. Call me with code. That's why I receive a call. So here is the call. 4134. And now create a password. Create a strong password. And next. Here fill up your personal information. Your name, your first name, your last name, and street address. I will use USA details. So how will you get it? First go to CP2. I will leave the CP2 link in description. You can check it. Here you will get a free USA details. From these details you can ship your product here and receive in Bangladesh. So use this information. I used all of details here and continue. Let's make you money work for you. So here choose get paid option, or you can choose any other option. Accept payment with your mail. So a code sent to my mail. I am just checking it. Here is the code. And confirm. Create your username. So I need to choose a username. I am choosing one as my wish. And then continue. So first you need to link a bank account or card information. I will link my card few minutes later. Now I am skipping it. This is my PayPal I just created. Now I will make this PayPal fully verified. So complete the verification. Here you will get 3 notifications. First you need to confirm your mobile number. So I am confirming my mobile number again. Here is my phone number and send my code. Code comes this time in text now. So I am using this code. So this is my PayPal I just created. I just link my bank account. You cannot add any bank account from Bangladesh. I am from Bangladesh. I used PreoPay account here. If you are living others country like Pakistan, Nigeria, India, you can choose other option. Write your country name so that I can suggest you a better option for linking a card or bank. Now I need to link my bank or card details. I already linked my bank account and transaction also. Here you can see $2. I linked PreoPay, I already told it. Now I will make my PayPal fully verified. So what can I do now? First click on accept the money. Choose here keep in PayPal. And you will get a file here. You will get a form. So fill up your all of informations like your name, your date of birth and SSN details also. Instead of SSN, you can use ITIN also. I got my US ITIN from Bangladesh. A website helped me. I will leave the link in description. You can check that website also and you can get it also. So I am submitting all of my informations. For security purpose, I am hiding it. After that, it is asking me for my identity. You can submit your passport, you can submit your ID card, or you can submit your driving license. No problem. Where are you from? I am from Bangladesh. I am uploading my details. I am uploading my passport. So this is my passport. I am uploading and submit. So I just got this message. Thanks for sending your information. Now go to account. So my information is on review. So they are reviewing it. Now I will transfer my dollar into my bank account. So choose transfer option and transfer to bank account and then transfer it. You can see that I just easily transferred my dollar into my bank account. After few minutes I got a mail. I am checking it. So check the mail. My PayPal account is fully verified. Here is my name and this is my fully verified PayPal account. This account is now fully verified. So that's all for today. Don't focus on my bad English. Focus on my work. For getting these types of unique video, make sure subscribe the channel and must like the video.